Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Weekly Whimsy. I'm Lindsey and I'm excited to guide you through the world of crypto and blockchain. We've got so much to cover as usual, so let's jump right into everything. Our Discord is now at 3,791 members. Whether you're a dev, a builder, or just someone curious about the decentralized web, it's the perfect space to exchange ideas and get assistance from our team directly. Over on social media, we recently talked about our CEO Kyle's recent podcast interview with the Crypto Mavericks. The episode dives into why decentralized storage alone isn't enough, and how Pinata is building wallet-based trust into digital content. These are conversations we've been having behind the scenes for a long time, and now you get a front row seat. Spoiler, if you're interacting with an NFT or meme coin, there's a good chance that Pinata is a part of the stack. This week, we're shining a spotlight on Diffusion AI. Diffusion AI is building decentralized infrastructure for AI by converting user-contributed data-like documents and private chat streams into open, verified knowledge graph. They're starting in the Web3 and crypto space using AI-powered nodes and community validators to ensure high-quality, fact-checked information enters the system. The protocol is powered by tokenized incentives, allowing participants to earn rewards by contributing knowledge or running nodes. Diffusion is also working with platforms like Vana and Ether to help individuals monetize their data while powering AI workloads with decentralized compute. The result is a transparent, community-owned AI network that doesn't rely on centralized data monopolies. Hey you! Are you already registered for the Coinbase Agents in Action Hackathon? Pinata is now officially a sponsor for this hackathon, which is running through June 19th, next week. Alongside Amazon and Akash, we'll be awarding the best use of Pinata with cold, hard Pinata credits. Participants will use CDP Wallet to create secure, programmable wallets and integrate X402 Pay to enable seamless pay-per-use monetization flows. This is all about turning programmable finance and autonomous agents into real-world tools. The hackathon wraps up with a demo day at the AWS Loft on July 10th, where finalists will pitch their projects to partners, investors, and ecosystem leaders. If you're building, this is one you don't want to miss. Speaking of X402 and Coinbase, let's talk about how to use X402 to monetize AI hardware. Decentralized AI has been one of the most exciting trends in the space, but the big challenge? Hardware. Running local models takes a ton of memory and GPU power, resources most developers don't have easy access to. That's where X402 comes in. We asked ourselves, what if developers could just pay to use AI on someone else's machine? That's exactly what we built. Using X402, anyone can set up a server with something like a Jetson Nano and charge USDC on Base for compute time. It's compatible with standards like Ollama and OpenAI SDK, making the integration super smooth. And the best part? It turns any computer into a monetizable node instantly. Thank you so much for joining me for another episode of Weekly Whimsy. Don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons down below for more amazing content from myself and my team. Until next week, stay curious and happy pinning. Bye everyone!